Hi everyone. As you can see, I have changed the background a little bit since the last video because I felt like the sprites were too small. So I'm not happy with this picture in the background. I just put anything in there quickly. But I wanted you to be able to see the sprites moving around a bit more. Okay, so the last thing we did should have been the scripts here for the cat. They all work. Let me double check. This is what we should do each time. Up, down. Okay. And then the script for the tiger. Does that work? A to the left, S to the right. Yes. Okay. So then I'm going to click on the flag to see that if they go up. Oh, the flag. And then go down now. Let me go click on that again. I changed the... See what happened there? I changed the backgrounds as well. I changed the... I can't get it. Come on. I changed the platforms. So even though it looks almost the same, it's not. So because I did new platforms and used pink, it's just not quite the same colour of pink. And now, hopefully, trial and error. Up. There you go. It won't go through. Now let's see. When the tiger touches the last thing we did was when the tiger touches the cat will change costume. Hopefully that will work. There you go. Okay, and you can see the cat's turned upside down and said ouch. Happy with that. Right, so the next activity that we wanted to do, the next challenge for people who have already done that in class was to create a third sprite. But that third sprite isn't controlled by a person. And what we wanted to do is just to follow the cat around however, wherever it went. Alright, that was a little bit trickier, but we worked it out eventually. I think, was it Carlos and somebody else was with me? Manu perhaps? And we worked it out. So, let's create a new sprite. Let's do it completely different. Do you know what? Oh, damn. Used a parrot before. I might use a parrot now. Quite like the parrot sprite if I can find it. There it is. Obviously, too big. Make it smaller. Oops. Smaller. Is that bigger? That's smaller. Now what I want to do is to get this sprite possibly to just stay around this area. So at the start of the game it would be in this area. And I want it to move towards the cat. So what I do, I'm on stage now, so that's not good. I need to be on Sprite. Now we need a control. And at the start of the game we're going to get it to move towards the cat. So when the game is started. Okay. And it's throughout the game, so it's forever. Do I need if? I don't think I do. Forever. Forever. And what do I want it to do? I want it to move towards the cat. So, move 10 steps, point in the direction, go to, point towards, perhaps. Point towards what? The cat. Right, so I'm going to press this and see if it works. See? Do you see how it pointed towards the cat? But it didn't move. So the next thing we decided, well, we need to get it to move. So move 10 steps. Boom. And it just went straight, quickly to the cat. Did you see that happen? I'm going to stop it. I'm going to move it back. And then, stoof. Well, it would catch the cat instantly. So we can't have that. We've got to get him to move a bit slower. So then we decided to make it like 5 steps. And that was too fast. So let's try 1 step. Okay, let's see. And again. That's quite slow, isn't it? Like in a game. But it's doing something that the cat and the tiger can't do. What is it? Yes, hopefully you've realised. It's flying through the platforms. So what do? I just get the little piece of code here and I drop it onto Sprite 1 or the parrot. Can you see it go grey? And then that, when I click on the code for this, it should be there. Alright, so let's see, trial and error. Let's see again how that affects it. So it's moving towards the cat. I can move the cat. Can you see it? Well, now the cat in its trying, but then and I go down here, and then the parrot. Oh, he's coming towards me. I want to hide, and it gets blocked by the platform. But if I left it like that, and there he goes, and he's caught him. I don't know why it's done that, but there you go. So there's the next thing. If you could do that, you could even put the thing here that makes the cat turn over again, or the cat just says something else. Using the costume change, it might have another costume. Instead of ouch, it says something else like, oh no! Okay, but doesn't fall over, because obviously a tiger's more dangerous than a parrot. Okay, hope that's useful. Have fun. Have a practice, maybe have a practice on the website version. Bye-bye.